Now I want to share with you. This is the tube of the brakes on the right of citroen C5. So I take out of the tube on the brake system. So I want to share you. You must take out from this way, and this way we show you here. From this way, from exhaust this way. So I think that is very difficult one, but I want to show you here. I think the best you take out from this way. This way. It's difficult to see this. So the best can be put in. So and this way, through this way, on this way. If we take out the subframe, I think that is not the best way, because we take out this one. We take out this one. But I think that it's not easy to take out. Some I changing, then what? Then a left, then a right. So thank you for watching. I will keep on full video, but I divide a part video to you.